Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the video's accessibility and the type of text you want. That saves wasted steps. Next, use a tool, itDLP if you prefer command line, a GUI downloader for quick grabs, or open captions from the player. Once done, check whether the uploader provided subtitles versus relying on auto captions. That influences accuracy. Make sure you note age or region restrictions, because they block programmatic extraction and require signing into the same account. You now extract the captions or audio and convert them into text. If captions exist, run itDLP with write subs and pick VTT or SRT. That gives timecodes and speaker continuity. Alternatively, open DevTools filter network for VTT or SRV requests and save the response. If captions are absent, export audio using itDLPX or a GUI, then feed the file into a speech-to-text service or local model. Once converted, clean timestamps and merge lines into readable. Finish by cleaning and exporting the text in the format you need. First, strip or format timestamps and remove bracketed noise markers. Normalize punctuation and capitalization for readability. Then export as TXT for plain text, SRT/VTT to keep timing, or DocX for editing and review. If accuracy is poor, try alternative speech-to-text models, enable speaker diarization, or perform quick manual corrections while listening. If extraction fails due to access restrictions, sign in or request the uploader's subtitle file.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.